Alright guys, in this video we're gonna learn about the 4-layer internet model. What is the 4-layer internet model? So we have 4 layers: application layer, transport layer, network layer, and link. Now what do we have? We can consider our BitTorrent as one application, and what this is a concept, this is theoretical concept. You have to understand this is not anything so practical. If you're in a if you want to learn this thing theoretically, you got to know these concepts. So there the 4 internet model states that it has 4 layers: the application layer, the transport layer, the network layer, and the link layer. The application, that can be as your BitTorrent. It offers two-way streams, a byte stream between two applications. So an application, BitTorrent, put it this way: there are two computers, one is in the USA and one is in Karachi. Okay, so both have BitTorrent installed in them. So BitTorrent as a single application is offering a byte stream to communicate between these two computers. Okay, now what does transport mean? Transport mean that your data is being guaranteed that it will deliver end to end. Okay, and if there is any congestion, so the transport layer will try to eliminate that congestion and deliver your data to from point A to point B. And what does network layer stands right here is that it would be the best effort according to the protocols that your data is being delivered, your datagrams are being delivered. And what does link mean? That you deliver data over a single link between end host and router. Now we'll try to explain this thing in a while. Now there you go. See, you have your application, your transport layer, your network layer, and your link layer. So what you're gonna do is, alright, you have your application layer, you have your transport layer, you have your network, you have your link layer, and on the other end you also have your all these 4 layers. Now this can be called, this right here can be called, as on the left is called source and host. Okay, and on the right is called the destination, where you want your data to be sent. Destination and host. Okay, this is your router in between. So your app, all your links, the data is traveled through the links. This link has the address of this link and the data travels here, and this link has the link to this router over here, and this router further has links to the destination and host. So that is how your data is being transported.